how to fix Messenger widescreen problem on your Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Whenever you try to open Messenger application on your device, if you get widescreen on your interface, so here is how you can fix that. First of all, open up the settings on your device. After that, tap on apps. Again, tap on see all apps. Here you will get to see all the installed application from your mobile device. So search for Messenger. After you tap on Messenger and land on app info page of Messenger, first of all tap on this button or option that says force stop from the right hand side of this interface, and again tap on OK. And once you do that, now tap on storage and cache, and from here tap on clear cache. That will clear all the junk file of Messenger from your device, which might help you to solve the problem. After you do that, now head back to your home screen. Then open up the Google Play Store. Now on the search bar, type in Messenger. If your app is missing out any updates, you will get an update option where I have open. So simply tap on update, and once your app is updated, that might help you to solve the problem. Then open up the Messenger and check whether the problem is solved or not. And that's how you can fix Messenger widescreen problem on Android. And I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.